Oh, so good. Hey guys, it's Carolyn, the Organic Gypsy. It's been a while, you know, life happens, I've been away, a year later, here I am. I would like to share a recipe with you. A recipe that is inspired by a guy called Danwell.
My name's Danwell. I'm from Malawi.
I met him last year in Wilderness, and he's an amazing guy that basically grows his veggies and herbs and you name it, basically in the forest of Wilderness. It's stunning. So I've got some footage of that I would like to share with you. The recipe I'm sharing with you though is a little spin-off. It's a little different. It is made with polenta. Polenta is basically made with corn, maize, and it is been made very, very sexy by the Italians. They love to put cheeses and all sorts of sexy things with it to make it nice and creamy. It's so versatile. There's so much you can do with polenta, but today we are not doing anything fancy with it. We are basically serving it up like you would normally mash potatoes. So without further ado, let me show you what we're going to make. Hope you enjoy.
My name is Danwell. I'm from Malawi, and live and study. Stuff we're cooking. We put onion and cooking oil. We cook for 5 minutes and we eat with pepper. White star, the one who I planted this one. And you got also this tree. It's got 3 tomatoes. It gives fruit. 3 tomatoes. It's a fruit. You can see here. It's making a flower. That
You see?
That in a few couple of weeks, then they start fruits.
Tomatoes and polenta works really, really well together. So, yummy. You have to try it. It's delicious. Oh, I almost forgot. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, then please subscribe, please, please, please. And please hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.